Jai Srimanarayana. 72nd sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yesha Brahmi Stitih Pardha Nainam Prapya Vimukhyati Sthitvasyam Antakalepi Brahmanirvanam Ruchati. Om. Perform your actions without motivation for rewards. Keep on thinking about your real nature, that is Atma Jnanam. With this, you will be always in the state of eternal bliss. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends everyone to surrender to him alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Sriman Narayana, I shall perform my actions without motivation for rewards. I shall always constantly think about myself and try to be in the state of bliss. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadam rutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Saubhari Muni and his 50 wives, all of they attained Paramatma. Now, Mandhata's another son is Purukutsa. Purukutsa was married to Narmada, Narmada was the sister of Sarpaganam. Narmada has taken Purukutsa to Rasatalam. In Rasatalam, Purukutsa got great amount of power by Sri Mahavishnu, and then Purukutsa killed Gandharvas who were supposed to be killed. So, Purukutsa got one boon from snakes over there. What is that? Nagat labdavaras sarpat abhayam smaratam idam. Whoever thinks about this story that Purukutsa was taken by Narmada to Rasatalam, they will not have any sarpa bhayam, any fear from snakes. That was the boon he got, Purukutsa got by snakes. Now, Purukutsa's son is Trisaddasya. Trisaddasya's son is Anaranya. Anaranya's son is Haryasva. Haryasva's son is Prarana. Praruni's son is Tribandhana. Tribandhana's son is Satyavrata. Satyavrata himself is known as Trisanku. In one of those days, from the Vivaha Mandapam, one Brahmana's girl was abducted by this Satyavrata. Because of that, his father himself cursed Satyavrata to become a Chandala. After that, because of great Maharshi Vishwamitra's power, this Trisanku Sariro Gataha Swargam Adyapi Dividrusyate. He went to heaven along with his own body. But Devatas denied that. Devatas threw him downwards. Again, by Vishwamitra's great power, that Trisanku started coming down upside down. But Vishwamitra stopped him, so that even till today in the space, Trisanku is there hanging upside down. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Vishwametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 72nd sloka. Esha Brahmi Stitih Pardha Nainam Prapya Vimukhyati Sthitva Mantakaalepi Brahma Nirvana Mruchati. Esha Brahmi Sthiti Pardha Nainam Prapya Vimukhyati Sthitva Mantakaalepi Brahma Nirvana Mruchati. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.